Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to this week's check-in. So we're on week 5, of course, and we're talking about finding a job and keeping it. I recorded a new lecture, which you'll see here at the bottom of the screen, which talks about job search and job information. If you click on this link here, you're able to find the presentation, which is out of the state of Tennessee, and it's really interesting. I kind of tweaked some things, but I used it to my advantage. There's some great information in there in relation to finding a job. I think it's just a solid presentation that was not proprietary, of course, and I was able to use it. Lots of great links in here for you to take a look at as well. Further, you have week 5 review that is due this week, and of course your mini assignment, your CV or resume that is supposed to be uploaded this week. So hopefully you've thought about, hey, how am I going to craft my resume that's due this upcoming week, which would be the 17th, so July 17th. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate all your effort and look forward to reading your resumes. Thanks so much.